What do we want?
We want all the boost.
When do we want it?
Right now.
No lag. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have been tuning on the Miata via Mega Squirt and everything. Harry has been on the phone with Hoffman Innovations and everything, trying to figure out how to tune this dang car. We are about to go mount the new tires that I got for the Miata. We got to get them put on the car because Cleveland Car's coming up. We're planning on hopefully having this thing done in time for that to drive it down there. If it happens, that'd be awesome. If not, oh well. But check it out. We've got our Toyo R888Rs right here. We're gonna take the wheels real quick. I gotta take Allison off of the lift anyways. We're gonna load up the tires in there. And after that, we've gotta change the oil in the Mustang. I've gotta change the O2 sensor out in the Mustang because I've been having issues with it. Once we do that, then I don't know what we're doing after that. So anyways, let's grab these wheels and tires, load them up in the back of Allison. We're gonna get Allison off the lift and we're gonna head out. Where's the keys at? There they are. Oh yeah, wheel number one, wheel number dos. Oh, my hands are dirty. Hey, what you doing on your phone? Go load up these tires, man. Dos, I need dos mos. Oh, yeah. I'm just happy to be able to do something with the Mustang again. It's gonna be crazy. Tomorrow we're going to Gas Monkey. They said they've got some cars that'd be a really good competitor for this Mustang. Oh yeah, I forgot y'all haven't seen the fender. Check that out. Oh, yeah. Harry did that. We're gonna probably try, I guess, to do the entire car in that. I don't know, it's pretty cool. All right, now we gotta go find somewhere that will mount our tires. They're what?
They're linglong. No, swear to God, they're really called linglong.
Linglong?
Linglong.
No way. They're actually linglong tires. Yeah. Those new tires are gonna hook, son. That turbo car ain't gonna know what to do with those tires on the back of it. I didn't know the wheels were gold. They're gold on the inside.
They're real rotas.
They're rotas, yeah. Rotogrid 15 by 6.5. We might have a problem. You think they're gonna mount?
Well, if not, I'll get on that machine. I'm not gonna get you.
Hey, I used to mount tires too. I used to work at a little place doing the same thing. Daniel used to work at a tire place too. Everybody here used to mount tires. Dang, I kind of want to take the plastic dip off and make them gold again. That'd be kind of cool. There's so much slime in there. Dude, that is a meat right there. Look at that. That's a whole ass pork chop. That's a sirloin steak right there. That's a lot of meat. All right, guys, we are leaving the tires here. We're going to work on getting them balanced and everything. We're going to go ahead and go back home to the shop. We're going to get the Mustang put up on the lift. We're going to start with changing the oil and also going to start changing out the O2 sensor and everything to get the Mustang up and running properly, so that way we can get ready to load up tonight to leave tomorrow. Oh yeah, get that thing open, Paul. Give me a first time start. It's not gonna happen, but I'm gonna try and wish for it. So close.
You're trying it one more time. Come on, second shot, second try. Come on, do it. I don't know what that was. All right, third try. Come on. Nope. Fourth try. Nope. Fifth try. Nope. Sixth try. Yeah!
It only took 6 tries.
Wait. Take the broken piece from back here and put it up here. So that way his tire can get on it, so that way it won't fall. There it goes. Oh my goodness.
What the hell just happened?
You just spun the board out from under the tire.
That was really scary.
Yeah,
How
you
are we
need
gonna get down now.
You need big boards.
All right. Ugh. Now we're gonna lift this thing up. You ready?
Do we have air? No, we can do it.
I need my case. Oh, 5W50 AMSOIL. You know what sucks? This is gonna be the last oil change in this engine. It's kind of cool though. It's gonna be exciting. I don't know where my knife is, so we're gonna use a screwdriver. Now that looks like a, I don't know, 15 I think is what it was. I can't remember. It's been so long since I changed the oil in this car because I haven't put that many miles on it. Ugh, I was about to say I should probably turn it the right way, but I am. Where my 15mm wrench at, Harry?
Huh?
Where my 15mm wrench at, Harry?
Boy, look at it hanging right there. You need that in right there?
Who put that right there?
You! You literally put it right there.
Oh, look how clear that oil is though.
Yeah, you only drive the car from
Hey, dog.
Better be clean.
Oh, look how clean. Oil. Don't look at what I'm doing. Y'all stay over there.
Gavin?
Don't worry about it. If it works, it's not the wrong tool either. That AMSOIL looks so good. I'm so proud. I really do like AMSOIL. This is not a paid promotion or sponsorship by AMSOIL. As much as I wish that it was, I would love to be sponsored by AMSOIL. That's one hell of an oil company. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Let's give it a nice little, there we go. Now we're gonna wipe the bottom of our oil pan. Bam! Yep, that's what I'm doing. Yep, I'm making a mess. Oh, that's hot! I'm gonna let this drain and then I'm gonna put my new oil filter back on there and we're gonna lower it down. We're gonna fill this thing with oil and we're gonna call it a day. Oh wait, no we're not, I forgot. Harry, what size is the O2 sensor? Hell yeah, look at you go. Look at you go. I gotta keep you on your toes sometime. All right, we got our new O2 sensor right here. Harry, what are you doing? You're supposed to be tuning a Miata and you're over here cutting up pallets. Yeah. We gotta have that thing running today.
Make sure you're tuning the right one.
What you mean?
Which bank was it?
I thought it was bank 2. Bank 2 passenger rear, huh?
No.
Huh? What you mean? I think we're good now. Let's grab our tools from under here. Whoa, whoa. What the hell are you doing? Harry's trying to throw his backyard tune on there. He thinks he can tune it or something. Oh, look at that clean little filter right there, baby. Let's pop open one of these. Let's prime our filter a little bit. That way we can get it on the gasket a little bit so it makes a proper seal.
Eddie, I need you.
Hand tight, there we go, good enough. Let me wipe off the remaining, draining oil. Oh, mother. All right, we should be good under here now. Drain plug's back in, oil's back in, oil filter is back in, O2 sensor is back in. God, I don't think it's gonna start, my man. And then, oh, son of a, come blowing this real hard. Basically, to explain what's going on right now, we have air locks on the lift. You have to have air going through this line to be able to expand the lift locks out. We have not ran air to the lifts yet, so we're having to use our little compressor over here, run a line to be able to hold the locks open. Let me think, how many quarts does this take again? 9.5? I can't remember. 8.5? Something like that. This is embarrassing. I don't even want to do this right now. 2016 Mustang GT oil capacity. I'm a failure. I cannot believe I'm looking this up right now. Yeah, it's 8 quarts, you're right. Oil change should be done in here. The O2 sensor's changed. Everything is bueno. We've got oil pressure, sweet. And no more check engine light, which means that our O2 sensor should be fixed. Oh. Oh, oh. This is either gonna be really loud or it's gonna be nothing at all.
All right, here we go.
All right, I gotta go pick up the Miata's wheels and tires from the place real quick.
Look at how sticky they are.
Look at there, we got some new tires and stuff. All right, let's head back to the shop. Just kidding, we're going to Lowe's. We have to get some boards so that way we can get the Mustang onto the lift, or off of the lift actually. What about this one on the top? This one's much longer.
Nope.
Poe's got some boards. Okay, here you go, Poe.
Hi, Zorby. Hola! Hola!
This is Nacho.
Welcome to Poe, boys. This is Poe.
What do we want? We want all the boost. When do we want it? Right now. No lag.
You literally just told me to record so you can explain what was happening.
We were at the all right, here we go. We're at the tent shop. What happened? I don't know. This morning, before I started recording this video, I dropped my Volvo off to get tinted. They're about to have it finished. So now we're here. We made a detour on the way back to the shop to pick up the Volvo. Look at Allison. Allison looks so good.
It's such a truck.
It's such a truck.
It looked better if it was upside down.
Hey, the Volvo will not leave the parking lot of the tent place. Harry's coming to the rescue.
It's literally right there. The shop is literally right there. It will not go though. It will not move on its own power.
I think what's going on, it's kind of hard to see, but down right there where Poe's hand is there's a rod. You see that little rod? That is the wastegate. I think the wastegate is actually stuck open. What you about to do? Oh, 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 oh. Nope. Dude, do you smell that? It smells like gunpowder. Go get in the truck. Go get in the truck. We got this. Go, Harry. Crank it out. Hell yeah, Austin. Oh, he's taking it. Oh, he's gone. Look at this is so retarded. I was like, okay, well, Harry got it running. It's moving. Oh, hang on, Austin. I'm fat. The truck should be coming around the corner at any second now. Oh, there's Allison. Dude, it is always something, man. Always something. Just as soon as I thought I was gonna make the Volvo look nice and at least get the windows tinted so I'm not fishbowling, it just backfires on me, literally. This is supposed to be my daily, man.
Well, at least you finally got that one off the lift.
Oh my God. Harry, we got to fix another one.
Yeah, so
On another note, that meat though.
Yeah, that meat looks good at least. Did y'all get the Miata running?
No.
No? Oh my God, bro, nothing's gonna work.
It's really close. It'll like and then it'll die again.
I guess I'm back to driving the Duramax as a daily once again, even though I just bought a daily to not daily the Duramax, and then I also bought the Miata as a daily, so I didn't have to daily the Duramax, but then a turbo kit came in for the Miata, so now it's not a daily, and then my daily broke down, so now I don't have a daily again.
Look, you still have stickers on here. You know what that means?
That means we gotta roast them off. I'm joking. That Miata would not spin those tires.
Boy, what?
Those are sticky as hell. Me and Harry already decided we cannot do a burnout on these.
You just decided that? You're like, yeah, yep, these won't spin.
I guess the Volvo is out of commission somehow. How many days have I had this now? Like 4? Hadn't been a week, huh? Has it? No, it hasn't been a week yet.
No, because you got it.
I got it on Thursday. Okay, so I've had it almost a week. I really don't know what's wrong with it. Either possibly a vacuum line, a wastegate went bad, a solenoid boost cell, I don't know. All right, so this is the idea here. We went and picked up these boards. We're gonna try and set them on the lift like so. We're gonna try and back this thing out. Ugh.
We did it! Hooray!
Oh, that was actually pretty dang good. It didn't rub at all?
No, not a little bit.
What?
It had like this much room.
Now what? Let me just...
This isn't my YouTube channel.
Okay, you wanna move the car? I will let you drive. Move it over there behind the Volvo. Right. Clutch in, up on the collar, all the way to the left and forward. Now you are in reverse.
Okay.
You were revving very high. This is so weird watching somebody else drive my car. No, 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 Poe, over here. Yeah, yeah, that Volvo, yeah. Dang, that baby looks good. At least we've got the new tires mounted to the Miata's wheels, and they're insanely sticky, seriously. Something I wanted to mention too that's kind of weird, check these out. These are Toyo R888Rs, like I was saying. These tires are actually asymmetrical, and if you imagine this would be the front, outside, you notice the tread is actually backwards, which is really, really weird. We actually called Toyo to ask what the hell the deal was, because normally you would think that it would be like this, but swapped to where, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but anyways, let's go ahead and get these things put on the Miata since we're almost done wrapping up with the Miata turbo build all day today. Harry, as well as DIY Auto Tune and everybody like that, they've all been working on trying to get the tuning and everything done for the car. It's been going good. It's just a whole crazy configuration of parts on this car, and it's having trouble basically running. We've got these giant IGN 1A coil packs right here paired with some gigantic 1000cc injectors, which is ungodly for this little 1.8. We do have the turbo. We've got a whole bunch of stuff on here, and it's trying to get calibrated for everything working together. Once it does though, it should be running good. Like I said, we were really trying to get this thing done before Cletus and Cars. It's all the way in Bradenton, Florida, which is pretty insane. If it breaks down, we've already talked about it. We're gonna have the Mustang in the trailer pulled by the Duramax. We're just gonna go ahead, unload the Mustang out of the trailer, load the Miata into the trailer, and I'm just gonna drive the Mustang the rest of the way there to Bradenton. I'll race it at Bradenton and drive the Mustang back home. But if we can't get it done in time, then oh well. That's the reality of it. Sometimes you can't rush things too much. Oops. Nothing happened really that was exciting, so I do apologize. Nothing really worked out like we were wanting to today. Really what we had in mind, we were gonna get up here, we were gonna get the Miata running, we were gonna get the tires put on it, we were gonna go do some test hits, we were going to have the Mustang fixed, and then really what it boiled down to was me getting the Mustang fixed, the Miata not starting, and then the Volvo breaking, and yeah, so anyways though, hopefully next video we will be a Gas Monkey. Long story short with that, they pretty much just invited us to go over there, check out the garage and everything. So that's what we're gonna go do. We're gonna go check out Gas Monkey garage, and we're gonna have a bunch of fun there. So yeah, I guess I will see you guys in next video whenever we get the Miata running, hopefully. And I don't know, I can't do an outro. I can't do an outro. I know, I have an idea. I'm gonna let Poe do my outro since I can't. Hey Poe.
What?
What are you doing?
I'm putting a short throw shifter in my tractor.
In your tractor? Okay. Hey, I can't do an outro because I suck. You want to give an outro? Oh, you're gonna get out? Oh, you want the camera? Oh.
Attention, it's just a 6 fans. Gavin here needs help. He needs a drill. Send a drill to the P.O. box.
A drill?
A drill.
I already have a drill.
All right.
He almost fell. I have a drill.
This is It's Just a 6. What am I doing?
I don't know why I needed a drill. Why'd you say that?
Because you don't have a drill.
Yes, I have a drill.
We've been looking for a drill for the past 2 weeks.
No, we just bought a drill.
Oh, Gavin bought a drill. No more. Okay. Daniel, start this over. All right, guys. This is the outro for Gavin's channel. Gavin got completely nothing done today except for more...
Dude, we didn't do anything except for brake stuff.
That's what we do.
We didn't even get it run. We didn't even get the car running. All we did was literally change the oil in the Mustang and change the O2 sensor. That was the only productive thing that happened today.
Okay, so Gavin broke the wastegate on the Volvo. I drove the Mustang for the first time, which is kind of cool.
That is true.
We got the lift on.
Other than that, we really didn't do anything.
This is a very not productive day, but I do want to say, I'm speaking on Gavin's behalf. He loves every single one of y'all. Thanks every single one of y'all for watching his videos. Don't watch my videos if you hate me, because that's just dumb. But...
Watch out! Watch out!
I'm gonna catch it.
Oh!
Boy, what? Follow Zorby. Y'all have a good one.
Stop with the follow Zorby. No one.
What's your last words?
My last words? I hate days like this because really what it boils down to is like, I don't know. I wake up in the mornings and I have these great ideas. I wake up and I feel fresh. I'm like, today we're gonna get all things done. And then I wake up and nothing happens.
I drove 4 hours today to get an iPhone. The guy wouldn't even let me hold it, so I turned around and drove it.
Bo went to go buy a fake iPhone.
No,
he thought that he could buy an iPhone XS Max for $500.
No, it was on there. It was fine, but the guy wouldn't let me hold it, and I was like, boy, could let me hold it.
I told him
He's
on
like,
the way to go get it. I told him it was fake.
I was already
For some
there
reason
when you
he didn't
told me.
believe me.
I was already there when you told me. If you don't give it to me, I'm gonna take it.